G'day everybody, it's Dave from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to remove a Toyota Corolla sound system. Problem you may be having is that the system continually tries to reboot, never actually gets to the end. The tools you are going to need today is a 10mm socket and a plastic spudger. Alright, let's get started. The first part we're going to remove is this whole section here. Now, you can use a plastic spudger. I've found there's enough room to get my hands in at the end and peel it back. But feel free to use a plastic spudger if that makes it easier for you. Okay, now when I take this out, it will be attached by two plastic cables. You'll remove those by pushing the center pin and pulling it towards the front. Same with that one on the left and on the right. You can't get them wrong, so don't worry about putting them back in the wrong place. Now we're just going to put that aside for the time being. Now we're going to undo the 10mm bolts. Use an extension, a magnetized extension if you can, to save you dropping the bolts down behind the dashboard. Okay, so we've removed our 4 10mm bolts. There are two clips at the bottom, so you need to grab it with both hands and give it a good hard pull till it clips out. And on the back of it you'll have some electrical connections. Once again, they only go in one spot, so don't worry about getting them in the wrong spot. Just take them all out and let them hang there until the stereo comes back from Supertech Electronics. And that unit is now ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair.